Hi Miss Padilla, it's me Ada, and for the final project for chemistry, I'm going to be making slime. So I'm just using the video that you linked to me, and I hope that this works. I might make a few mistakes, but let's just start off with putting in the glue. Next thing I need to do is the borax and stuff, which I need a teaspoon of, which I'm going to do. I think that's good enough since that's about everything in the glue. Then you put it in the water and just stir it until it dissolves. After it's fully dissolved, you pour a little bit in, wait, I still see some. You pour a little bit into the glue, I think, until it turns slimy. Well, as in slime, but I'm just gonna try and do this correctly. And then I might have put in a little bit too much, but I think it just needs to dry a bit. I don't know. Looks pretty slimy right now. I feel like I probably should have added maybe a little less borax. No, more borax? I don't know. It's pretty slimy, at least. It's kind of like oobleck right now, in an oobleck type of stage. Or just regular glue. Yeah, just regular glue. Okay, and now I think I know. There we go. It's getting a bit more slimy. I think I need to add in more borax or something, like more of the stuff, since as you can see, like this is more turning in more slimy type of stuff. See? Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now this is turning into slime. Might have added a little bit too much, but I think it's fine. I think I can start touching it. Yep. No, I think I need like a little bit more of the water in it. Right now I think I'm just gonna use my other hand. Since I still feel like a lot of the glue that's still remnant in it. I think I can just touch the sides since the bowl's already a bit dirty from the stuff. But yeah. It's not the most prettiest thing, but it sure is slime. Yep, this is slime now. Sort of sticky though. This is what slime looks like.